Broadcast Jamaican now gear the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Some report come out to Robert Montague or the Transport and Mining Minister asked most of the board member them for Clarendon Alumina Partners cap for left the work. Desmond McKenzie or the Minister for Local Government and Rural Development said the government are think about for open up back some of the state infirmary them for taking some new patient. Some people block off the Yuatan main road in a St. Catherine yesterday because them said them nav no water and the road them bad. The West Indies woman them start them 50 over World Cup yesterday when them play Ireland in the first match for the competition. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. Some reports come out to Robert Montague or the Transport and Mining Minister asked most of the board member them for the Clarendon Alumina Partners cap for left the work. This come after a whole heap of fighting go on with the board member them about how the company run. Last week, Norman Reid or the chairman for the board left the work and said him can't bother with the cascas because him never liked certain contract where him deputy Dennis Wright did a give out. 7 out of the 9 board member them left the work already. Prime Minister Andrew Holness take cap from the mining ministry and put it under the Ministry for Finance. Desmond McKenzie, or the Minister for Local Government and Rural Development, said the government are think about for opening up back some of the state infirmary them for taking some new patient. Infirmary are some special place where government run will take care of sick people. More than 300 people are wait for coming at the hospital them will stop taking new people because of the coronavirus. According to McKenzie, in ministry I work with the Ministry for Health and Wellness for come and put some safe things before them open back. McKenzie did a talk at the Local Government and Community Month 2021 National Church Service will keep Sunday gone. Some people block off the Yuatan main road in a St. Catherine yesterday because them have said them not have no water and the road them bad. Them block off right at Benlas and Jericho. No car could pass, so traffic did pile up. According to the people them from Orangefield and Jericho, them not have pipe water for more than 20 years. But one well was served the area, the National Water Commission worked on it one day, and from that, the other part of the community stopped get water too. The people them said them have to buy water from truck right now, and that costs enough money. But Hugh Graham, or the Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Northwest, say him no support what the people them do. Plus them broke the COVID-19 rule them. Him said the National Water Commission are work for fix the problem. 2 men dead after a gunman shot them at one gas station right at Mullines and Red Hills Road yesterday afternoon. According to the police report, the car did park and the man them a buy gas when gunman shot them up. The police said them think the killing come from some gang war where go on in the Akiwak and Common community them. The police said them no know the man them name as yet. One man from St. Thomas who tell the courts him have sex with one underage family member go serve 10 years before him can come out of prison. The court no put out the man name because them a try protect the smaddy who him have sex with. The man who go before the St. Thomas Circuit Court last Thursday tell the court that him guilty upon 4 count of incest, where for have sex with one family member and for have sex with somebody who under the age of 16. High Court Judge Justice Martin Gale sentenced him to 6 years upon each count and 15 years for have sex with somebody who under the age of 16. The sentence them are going to run same time, so him are going to do 15 years. But him have to do 10 years first before the court thinks for send him back a road. On top of that, Justice Gale said the man name must go upon the country's sex offenders registry. This is one list of people who have sex with underage picnic or do sex things with underage picnic. Now for sports. The West Indies woman them start them 50 over World Cup Monday when them play Ireland in the first match for the competition. The Caribbean side win from Wadi after them beat Pakistan 3-0 in Karachi earlier this month. Then them beat Thailand woman them in a them warm-up match last week. According to Stephanie Taylor, who are the captain for the team, she want the good form what the players them have for continue in the competition because them well want for win the World Cup. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.